Everyone thinks the best-selling embroidery machines are automatically the best ones. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Poulin AO-M15 Needle. First up is the Poulin AO-M15 Needle commercial embroidery machine, priced at $3,949. What caught my attention is its massive 14.2 x 9.5 embroidery area and 15 needles, which means you can handle multiple colors at once without interruptions. If you're looking to ramp up your embroidery business, this is worth a serious look. So why does this machine stand out? The ability to handle 15 colors simultaneously cuts down on production time significantly, saving you 11 minutes per design. Plus, automatic color changes and trimming mean you can focus on other tasks instead of babysitting the machine. With a heavy-duty build designed for 24/7 production, it's also perfect for small businesses needing reliability. It's received a 5-star rating based on 35 reviews, with 50+ units sold in the past month. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It can significantly increase your daily output by 30–50%, which is a game changer for meeting customer demands. Now, I did find some mentions of its weight, 165 pounds, which can make it a bit cumbersome to move around. Here's the thing though, if you have a dedicated workspace, this isn't really a deal breaker. It's built to stay put and deliver consistent results. This is perfect for you if you're serious about scaling your embroidery business and need a reliable workhorse. Skip this one if you're just starting out or have a very limited budget. For the investment, it offers incredible value with all the included extras to get you stitching right away. Now, if the price of the Poulin AO-M gave you pause, the next option has a lower entry point while still offering a ton of features. Product number 2, Jano Memorycraft C400E. Next up is the Jano Memorycraft C400E, available for $1,499. What really caught my eye is its user-friendly interface and 160 built-in designs. If you want a good mix of creativity and ease of use, this is definitely worth a serious look. The LCD touchscreen allows you to rotate, resize, and combine patterns effortlessly, allowing for a smooth workflow. Plus, the auto-return feature after a thread break ensures you won't lose your progress, something every embroiderer can appreciate. With a 4.3-star rating from 78 reviews, many users have found it helps elevate their projects with professional-looking results. One downside I found was that it doesn't include as many hoops as some other machines, which might limit you if you want to work on larger projects. However, if you're focused on intricate designs and personalization, this isn't a big issue. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner looking to dive into embroidery without overwhelming yourself. Skip this if you're a seasoned pro who needs advanced features and support for larger designs. At this price, it offers excellent value for the capabilities you get. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who need high-capacity features. Product number 3, Poulin EOV15 Needle. Now let's talk about the Poulin EOV15 Needle embroidery machine, retailing for $4,699. What makes this machine stand out is its impressive embroidery area of 14.2 x 9.5, and that it's designed specifically for small businesses needing reliable performance. This model takes efficiency up a notch. It's perfect for those who handle bulk orders or complex designs, and the reinforced frame minimizes vibration, ensuring aligned stitches every time. Also, with 5-star ratings from 5 reviews, users are raving about its reliability for daily production. Here's why this matters. It allows you to scale your business without constant adjustments or downtime, which is crucial for meeting customer demands. But if you're serious about turning your passion into a business, this could be the right choice. This is perfect for you if you're running a small shop and need a dependable machine for daily orders. Skip this if you are just looking to do occasional embroidery for gifts. With its robust features, you'll find the cost is justifiable if you're looking for serious productivity. Now, if the weight and price of the Poulin EOV raise some concerns, the next option is more approachable. Product number 4, Poulin EOC06 Embroidery Machine. Next, we have the Poulin EOC06 Embroidery Machine, priced at $1,450.68. What initially grabbed my attention was the included 80 colors of embroidery threads and 144 per-wound bobbins. If you're starting a small home business, this is worth a serious look. The automatic needle threading and cutting features can save you a lot of hassle, especially if you're just starting out. With a 5-star rating from 4 reviews, it seems to have made a positive impression on users looking for functionality without breaking the bank. Here's why this matters for you. The included threads and bobbins mean you're ready to start creating right out of the box. One drawback is it's not as feature-rich as some higher-end models, which may limit more advanced users. But honestly, if you're a beginner or looking for solid reliability at a budget-friendly price, this won't be an issue. This is perfect for you if you're just starting out or want an affordable yet effective embroidery machine. Skip this if you need extensive features for high-capacity work. For the price, it's a great entry-level choice. Now, if you're looking for something specifically aimed at beginners, the next product is a fantastic option. Product number 5, D492 Embroidery Machine. Finally, let's check out the D492 Embroidery Machine, which is priced at $699.99. Its standout feature is that it's designed with beginners in mind, making it incredibly approachable. If you're just starting out and want something user-friendly, this is worth a serious look. This machine offers 180 built-in designs and a 4.5x7 embroidery area. The 7-inch touchscreen makes it easy to preview and adjust designs before you start stitching, which can save you a lot of time and mistakes. Users have rated it 4.7 stars from 4 reviews, praising its ease of use and helpful customer support. Here's why this matters for you. It simplifies the learning curve for new embroiderers, making it a lot less intimidating to create your first projects. A potential downside is that it may not be suitable for larger, more intricate designs due to its smaller maximum area. However, if you're focused on small projects like gifts or home decor, this won't really matter. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable machine for home use that won't overwhelm you. Skip this if you're more experienced and need a heavy-duty machine for larger orders. For the investment, it provides fantastic value for beginners wanting to explore embroidery. So to wrap it up, the Poulin EOM is a powerhouse for serious business. The Janome MC400E is great for creative souls. The Poulin EOV offers commercial capabilities. The Poulin EOC06 is perfect for beginners, and the D492 is the ideal starter machine. Each has its strengths, so choose based on your needs and budget.